Hello and welcome back to another episode of Business Partner. The chain of command is a way that businesses organize their staff so everyone knows who reported to whom. It's like a line from the top boss down to the workers at the bottom. For example, in a restaurant, the manager is at the top, then the head chef, followed by kitchen staff and waiters. This helps make sure everyone understands their role and who to talk to about problems. Span of control means how many people a manager is directly responsible for. For example, if one manager looks after 10 employees, their span of control is 10. If they only look after 3 employees, then the span is 3. Having a shorter chain, meaning fewer people under one manager, makes communication easier and faster because the manager can spend more time with each worker. A short chain of command has some big advantages. First, decisions can be made quickly because there is not too much layers of approval needed. Imagine a small retail shop where the manager handles all decisions. They can respond quickly if there is a problem, like a customer complaint. Second, workers often feel more valued and motivated when they can talk directly to their manager without going through many steps. Let's look at a real-life example. A small family-owned business like a local bakery might have a manager who supervises just a few bakers and shop assistants. Because the team is small, decisions are made fast, products are made fresh, and everyone knows what to do. This shows how a short chain of command can help a small business stay flexible and respond to customers quickly. In a case study of a big supermarket chain, they found that having a very long chain of commands, lot of layers of managers, slowed down decision making. It took longer to fix problems or introduce new ideas, where sometimes made customers unhappy. So many big companies prefer a short chain of command to work more efficiently and keep customers happy. In summary, a short chain of command and a manageable span of control help businesses run smoothly, make quick decisions, and keep workers motivated. This is especially using in a small or fast-moving businesses.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.